In this video, I'll show you how to remove someone from a WhatsApp group. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing to the channel and giving the video a like so others can find it. So the first thing we will do is to open the WhatsApp app and we will open up the group chat where we want to remove someone from. Once you open up the chat, go ahead and tap on the name of the group chat. Then what you will do is scroll down all the way to the bottom. And here you will see the name of the members of the group chat. Keep in mind that in order to remove someone from a group, you do have to be an admin, meaning that you either created the group or the person that created the group gave you admin access. Then tap and hold the name of the person that you wish to remove and simply select Remove from Group. And now this person has been removed from your WhatsApp group. Hope that helps.